Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so appreciative, and if you're not new here, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Sunday reset. So I actually just got home from a bachelorette party, shout out my bestie Hannah, and the weekend before I had a wedding, and next weekend I have a wedding as well. I'm tired and I'm in need of just like a reset day. Personally, I love watching videos like this. It really motivates me to kind of get my shit together. So hopefully this motivates you to go be a little girl boss. So the agenda for today is to clean my room, grocery shop, and meal prep, and to just do some self-care. I'm breaking out really bad right now, so maybe I'll do a little face mask, a little self-tanning. Basically, I'm gonna do all of those things, starting with cleaning my room. So enjoy this little montage of me cleaning my room. Let's do that first. Roll the footage. So I just cleaned a little bit, and now I'm gonna go through the fridge and see if we need to toss anything. There's some old food in there, I'm sure. And then I'm gonna make a grocery list and go get a couple things. I'm only gonna be home for the next like 3 days, honestly, so I don't really need a lot, but let me just see what I can make with what I have so far, and then what I wanna eat for the rest of the week. We fucked up our fridge a little bit with like Powerade spilled, and it's like under, I don't know how to clean it out. Okay, so I just pulled out a bunch of like random frozen stuff that I have, so I'm gonna make a little grocery list of everything that I need and try to eat as much as what I have in my fridge / freezer. I do have salmon burgers and lentils, so I feel like that can be a meal. And I have these colorful carrot coins. That's like not very mean. They might be Daniel's, but I'm gonna eat them. Sorry, Daniel. If you're watching this, I ate your carrot coins. I need like another meat. I need either like chicken or ground turkey, so I guess we'll just decide which one we want to do. All right, I'm headed to the grocery store. I live walking distance to a grocery store, which is like the best thing ever. This guy just almost missed his green light because he was staring at me vlogging. I have a really small list because I actually only need like 6 meals this week. Also, do y'all listen to music while you're in the grocery store? Because sometimes I feel kind of weird wearing my whole ass Beats like when I'm grocery shopping, but it's just the vibe. Like I need some jams. I'm back from the grocery store and I'm cooking. I'm making turkey with like frozen bell peppers and onions and corn as like a little bowl kind of vibe. And then I'm gonna meal prep a couple of salmon burgers too to have with lentils and those carrot coins, which confirmed they are Daniel's, but he said I could have them, so yay. Bought some healthy snacks, some freeze-dried mangoes, mini rice cakes. I didn't really need much because I really only have like 6 meals to eat this week, and then I have another wedding to go to, so. And of course, what's a meal prep night without Moscato straight from the bottle? Okay, I am all done with the meal prepping, and I didn't really film too much of it because like y'all are not on this channel to learn how to cook, like I can tell you that right now. Anyways, so now comes the best part of the Sunday reset. The rest just feels like chores, grocery shopping, meal prepping, cleaning. But now, self-care. It's already honestly kind of late, but it is imperative that I self-tan tonight. I want to self-tan tonight so I can self-tan later in the week and have a real extra tan moment. Also, I just wanted to show y'all that my skin
has been acting up. It's crazy. The Accutane video that I posted, I made like a year after being off of Accutane, and since I've made that video, like my acne's been kind of bad. I do think part of it is my fault. I've been a little bit all over the place with taking my birth control, so I think that affects my skin a lot, but she's not good. First, give me a minute. I need to take a shower. I need to wash my absolutely heinous hair. So I'll be right back. Hold on. All right. Showered and exfoliated. I was just feeling frantic the other day, and I went and got 2 cartilage piercings and a new lobe piercing, and I'm obsessed with them. But damn, your hair gets stuck in cartilage piercings like no other. I've actually had these 2 piercings before, so they were just re-piercings, but I'm so happy with them. They're very cute. Sunday showers. I feel like on Sundays I just need like that good shower, you know, you get in and you listen to music. Actually, I watch YouTube videos in the shower. So you get in and you put on Ashley Schwann's new video. I am so excited. I'm going to Arizona this week for the wedding that I was talking about. And I'm actually going to get my hair done as well. So I don't do any like color highlights or anything in my hair ever, but the one thing that I do get done to it is I get Brazilian blowouts. But ever since I moved back to California, I don't know, everyone out here is just a flop. Like nobody does it like my girl Katie in Arizona. So now I just get it every time it's convenient, which is insane to like go to another state for a Brazilian blowout. But trust me, if you knew Katie, you'd do the same. Now for the portion of this video that I wish more than anything was sponsored, but alas, I'm no one. If you want a great self tanner that looks amazing on everyone and does not turn you orange, you need to get B-Tan. It's literally the best tanner in the entire world. It's crazy because I actually don't see a lot of like big influencers ever even talking about it. Maybe I should hit them up and be like, I have 1 follower, but she might buy B-Tan. It is just incredible. It is foamy and low-key it is kind of like a greenish color when you first put it on, but I think that's what helps combat the orangeness. It's literally the best. I could go on and talk about it forever. They have this really cool contraption that you can put the tanner on and get your back by yourself. Like B-Tan. Let me go tan myself up. All right, we've got the self tanner on. I actually didn't end up doing any sort of like masks or anything because I did really exfoliate my skin in the shower. I just feel like less is more. I don't really like putting a bunch of product on it, so I changed my mind. I'm not gonna do like a mask or anything like that. We're just gonna pray that these pimps go away. But at the end of my Sunday night, something I like to do is just like turn on some candles, turn on some music, get my phone away from me. I actually kind of try to do this every night. I try to not be on my phone for like an hour before bed, just to like disconnect and have some time alone to think and reflect. I also like to make to-do lists for the week, so I have quite a bit of things to do. I'm gonna light some candles, catch a little vibe. I'm also gonna light this incense because I have this really freaking cute incense burner, catch tray, whatever you want to call these. Positive energy. So I'm gonna light it and get some positive energy going in this room. Give me a second to just reflect and then I'll be back. So I have journaled, I've worked on some stuff for YouTube, and it is definitely time for bed, especially if I wanted the temps to wake up somewhat early tomorrow morning. I'm absolutely the worst about going to bed at a decent hour. So that is my Sunday routine, my Sunday reset vibe. I'm not gonna lie to you, I also sat on TikTok for about an hour today. I just wanted like a little break and to go on, and I try to be good about TikTok, but man, that shit just sucks you in. Lately, life has been totally crazy, so I just needed today as a reset day for sure, and my life will continue to be crazy for the next couple of weeks. I've just got quite a bit going on, but some really exciting stuff happening as well, so I'm really excited to share that with all of you. For now, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've made it to the end, I literally cannot thank you enough. Please hit that subscribe button if you liked this video. Let me know if you'd like more content like this. And that's it. Just like that, Sunday is over. It's actually well past midnight and well past my bedtime, so I'm gonna hit the hay now, but thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I'm cranky.